AGBA stock analysis tomorrow. Where is it going next? Showing you my price prediction in this 1 minute short video. So watch it till the end. AGBA Group Holding sitting at 239. It's like 9% up today, which is a significant increase in price. I love to see it. With AGBA, just to give you context, I'm using my strategy system that's previously given me thousands of wins in 2023. And I'm telling you all of that because that is the truth and I've documented everything. So with AGBA, how am I looking at this? Is the following. I'm still trying to take it higher. As long as we have a proof that this thing is just going up, proof of concept, yada, yada, yada. The markets are not forever, it's only for now. So I'm trying to milk it only for now and not forever. So how's that going to look like? Only going to look for potential upside moves. The price pulls back down beneath the lows, beneath the line of my 197. Because now, if it goes without me here, it can go. Okay, I'm not interested. But if it goes lower here and even deeper, only in those cases I'm really interested. So, it's not financial advice. Just waiting for my rules to be met. If they're not met, that's fine. For 100% free course, check the first link in the description.